Hello children, welcome to your English class. In today's class, we will do the remaining exercise part of the lesson under the sea. So all of you open page number 58. Here let us practice language. Look at this example. Shark 1, sharks more than 1. Roman number 5, A. Now write 1 and more than 1 for these words. So here we should write 1 and more than 1 for these words. So before that, when we talk about a single person, place, animal or thing, then it is called a singular noun. For example, here in this chart, seal, pattern, plant, animal, creature, these are all singular nouns. Then when we talk about two or more people, places, animals or things, then it is called a plural noun. Sometimes some nouns are made a plural or more than one by adding s. Here in these examples, seal is there. It is a singular. In plural, it changed as a seals. S-E-A-L-S. Then pattern, patterns. P-A-T-T-E-R-N-S. Patterns. Next third one, plant. Plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Animal, animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. And next fifth one, creature. It changes as a creatures. C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. So in this first section, here we added s for the all singular nouns. In this page only, this is second chart. Here 1 potato is given here. In more than one, it changed as a P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. So here for some nouns we add es. In this type, singular noun word ends with o, x or s. Here in these examples, potato, it ends with o. Then mango, it is also end with o. Then fox, x, ending letter x. Then glass, here yes. Class, yes. So which words ends with o, x or s, we add those words es when we forming plural nouns. So potato, potatoes. Mango, mangoes. Fox, foxes. Glass, glasses. Class, classes. Okay children, you write these all in your textbook and notebook in both sides. The next question B. Fill in the blank with words from the lesson. In this first one, wonderful creatures dash in the sea. So answer is live, L-I-V-E. Wonderful creatures live in the sea. Second one, seals move very fast. Seals move very fast. Third one, blubber keeps the seals warm. Third one, blubber keeps the seals warm. Then fourth one, sharks swim in the open sea. Sharks swim in the open sea. So here first one, live. Second one, move. Third one, keeps. And then fourth one, swim. Next question number C. Now look at these words from the passage. Swim, move, look. What they show you? An action that is being done. Means the work, the action is already done. Example, a fish swims. Second one, a seal moves very fast. Then third one, he looks at the picture. So in these, swims, moves, looks. These are all shown us an action that is being done. So next question is, complete these sentences choosing the correct words from the words in brackets. So here two options are given for each sentence. You should choose the correct one and write in the blank here. So first one, a pilot flies an aeroplane. A cook cooks food for all of us. The teacher teaches in a school. My father works in the farm. Sheila goes to school. So flies, cooks, teaches, works, goes. Then next sixth one, look at the picture, read the information and questions and answer in yes or no. So here information is first one, oxygen, gas found in the atmosphere and water. So oxygen is a one type of gas which is which present in water also. So it is a one type of gas. Then second one, plankton means microscopic free floating green plants and animals. So microscopic means it's a tiny, very small plants or animals. These are in green color. Then third one, fish. A vertebrate means animal with a spine that lives in water. Healthy bodies of water have different kinds and sizes of fish. So fishes are in different types, in a different kinds. Then fourth one, bottom life. This bottom life includes worms, snails, crayfish, mussels, clams and insect larvae. Then fifth one, sediment. Mud, sand or a gravel which has settled at the bottom of a body of water. So it is these are 5 points are information. Here next questions are given. So you should write the answers in yes or no only. So here first one is there oxygen in water? Yes, oxygen is present in water also. So here answer is yes. Yes, then second one, are planktons are plants? Yes, these are plants and animals. These are in green color. Then next, third one, do different kinds of fish live in water? Yes, different types of fish live in water. Then fourth one, do you find snails, worms and crayfish at the bottom of the sea? Yes, we find worms, snails, crayfish in the bottom of the sea. Then fifth one, are mud, gravel and sand found at the bottom of the sea? Yes, we can find mud, gravel and sand at the bottom of the sea. So here all the answers are yes. All 5 question answers are yes only. Then move to next question. Let us learn new words. Roman number 7, in that A. Arrange the letters in order to make correct words. Example, CRLOA. Here jumbled letters are given. You should make a correct form of that word. Here CRLOA, it is coral, CORAL. Like that, here first one, YWAV. It is WAVY, wavy. Then second one, DIMLED. It is middle. middle, middle. Then next one, UNYOG, it is YOUNG, young. Then next one, LAGRE, it is LARGE, large. Next in that question number 7b, find and write at least 8 words from the lesson that end in S. So the words which are ends with the S letter, you should write here. Example is given here, creatures. Like that you should write 8 words from the lesson that end in S. Here, patterns, rows, tentacles, sharks, seahorses, seals, plants, anemones. Okay, these are all the words from the lesson that end in S. Next here, one activity is here, that is making of a aquarium using a cardboard shoebox. So make a cardboard cutouts of a fish, color and tie them with a thread and hang them from the top. Cover the open side with thin blue paper. Okay, it is your activity work. So you also make a one cardboard shoebox aquarium. I will send this video also. You see that video and then you also make an aquarium. Okay, using a cardboard shoebox. It is your activity. So like this, take one box and then cut the cutouts of a fish, crab and then octopus, starfish. Okay, like that, seahorses, and then you tie those with a thread and hang on the box. And back side, 3 sides you paste the blue color paper and downside brown color paper. Okay, this is all about under the sea lesson exercise part. I will send an aquarium video. You see that video and you also make an aquarium and send me those photographs with your name, full name and class. Thank you.